people, it's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here and I got my JJB Magical Mystery bead box for, what is this, September. So let's open it up. Hello party people, here we go. Magical Mystery bead box September. So I did open it just so we could have an easier goings-ons here. All right, feeling foxy. That's cute. What's inside? Autumn Woods Design Element Mix, Bead Strand and Pumpkin Spice, Feeling Foxy Specialty Bead Mix, Mini Metal Assortment, Gold Slide Clasp Duo, or Trio, excuse me. Ready for Fall Tassel Assortment, an 8-inch black custom chain, an 8-inch silver custom chain, chain reaction, and leather slide grommet kit. Well, that sounds like a few different components than maybe what we would normally get. So we'll put this off to the side so we can reference it, and I'm just going to get everything out of here and we shall see what we got going on. All right, let me get you down there a little closer. All right, let's just start with the Autumn Woods Design Element Mix. All right, so here's what the Autumn Woods Design Elements looks like. I wonder if I have a dish over here or something to put these in. I thought I did, but we shall improvise. We'll just use the box. All right. All right, Autumn Woods. So, okay, you guys, I really love tortoiseshell beads, like the look of them. These all appear to be check glass, and I'm excited about that because I like that. Got a few little charmy charms, some different kind of wide hole beads. Probably go good on leather bracelet. These look like fabric beads. I'm not seeing a hole in these, but I did see on some of the orders that had fabric beads, they said you kind of just got to find where the hole is and poke through there. So I will do that. Yeah, lots of fall autumn tones. Got some bead caps in there. Those are kind of interesting. These little leaves are cute. I mean, for the most part, it is exactly that. It is an autumn bead mix. So, sorry about not having my plate. Looks like there's some wood in there. So that is what the bead mix looks like. The next thing on our list is the Bead Strand and Pumpkin Spice. So let's just move that out of the way. So here's the Bead Strand. I really like this strand. Many of you know that orange is one of my favorite colors, and so I really like this. I am just looking at these, and I've noticed this the last couple of boxes I've gotten. These two, very slight color differentiation. I noticed it in the, what was that, the roller skate box that we got. My two beads here were distinctly very different. So that's a thing. But anyway, I do really like this mix. Looks like some metal, some wood, Chinese crystal, what do they call that? Macrame bead. I don't know if that's wide hole. I don't think it is. Boho. I like these crystals, and I really like this middle boho bead. So that is the pumpkin spice. I love it. I really love it. So that's the Bead Strand. Feeling Foxy Specialty Bead Mix. Okay, that's the next thing. And that is these guys. So we're just going to open this because that's why we're here, right? I have noticed recently that Jessie James is coming up with some different specialty beads, like these foxes here, once I get them out. I have noticed that these are kind of their, let me get out of here a little bit. These are kind of their new deal. They're doing like printed beads. I like that they're double-sided, so that's cool. And I think the deal is they've mostly been on like mother of pearls, and so I would assume that these are like mother of pearl beads that they've printed on as well. They're very nice. I really enjoy them. Those can make some super cute earrings or an addition to a necklace. And then they have these little fox charms, which are really, really stinking cute. I love those. Now these I have not seen before, and they look like they're printed on almost like it's acrylic, almost like an acrylic pearl, but it's not glass. Feels like just an acrylic bead. And I mean, honestly, these are cute. They're not my favorite. They feel really lightweight, and I mean, I'm just not the biggest fan of acrylic pearls. And I don't know if this is on there or if it's just a sticker or what the deal is. It kind of looks like a sticker. But yeah, if you had a fox theme going, those would be good. I prefer this, where it's actually printed on the bead. This one I think is just kind of like stuck on there. But regardless. Okay, next on the list, mini metal assortment. Mini metal assortment. This is our mini metal assortment. Just looks like some bead caps and some toggle clasps. And got a bunch of different metals. I like metals. You can never have enough metals. So there's that. Gold slide clasp trio. That's these. I don't really use these too often. That's just a personal preference because I don't like trying to get them connected, but they really do work well if you are making a multi-strand necklace or a multi-strand bracelet. They work really well for that. Ready for the fall tassels. Ready for the fall. Okay, so these ones look like some different tassels than we're maybe used to getting. I really like these. These are great. I love those. They're big. They almost look kind of like cheetah print or animal print. These look like this. And these are cute too. Mine are kind of shedding a little bit, but they're super cute. Definitely different than what we've seen in the past. And then the little flower tassels. Of all these tassels, I really like this mix better than some other mixes that we've had in the past. And that's just simply because I have a lot of those tassels already, and these are different, and I really like them a lot. So we'll put those away. Next up on the docket, an 8-inch black custom chain. Black custom chain. Is that this? And silver custom chain. It must be this. I think they're referring to the color of the bead. And so this is new. I've never seen anything like this before. From Jesse James. Looks like some just wire wrapped crystals. Mine's got a little extra thingy there. But I suppose these are just to add in with your, add into your necklace, add into your bracelet. I do see that they are hooked together with a little jump ring in the middle, so that's nice if you wanted to unhook or cut that and then just use this as, say, like an earring part, or if you wanted to use it as a link for your necklace that you're going to make or whatever. So I do like those. Those are different and I really like them. I think they're kind of like the chain reaction, and we'll pull one of those out. We did get 2 chain reaction. Both are in this gold red. Well, mine are. I don't know if everybody's are. This gold red. And so these are 18 inches. I just know that from past experience, but this here looks like it's just chain reaction without the spacers, So it's just the wire wrapped crystals. But I really like that because you could do a lot of things with those. I like that they sent 2 of the same color, because if you wanted to make a longer necklace, then you have the same color and style if you wanted to, or if you wanted to make a necklace and a bracelet. So there you go. And then lastly, a leather slide grommet kit. Okay, so I can only assume that is this. And what do we have in there? Looks like some head pins. These look like ends for your leather cording. And a bunch of jump rings. Oh, this looks like it's for your charm to hang on. And then this is your leather piece. So I assume, let me zoom you out here. I assume this goes around, maybe it goes around twice. I could probably get mine to go around twice. And then I would actually have to do some trimming. You would put those cord ends on the ends here, put your charm bail in the middle, and then you could hang charms like that little fox that we seen. Would be my idea. I don't know. It doesn't really have any instructions or anything. I'm sure maybe like once Sarah Ellis opens the box, she'll show us how to do it on the Jesse James channel. But that's kind of what it looks like to me. You could then use your head pins to make some charms and also hang on your bracelet. So, hey, Hootie. That's what it looks like we got going on. Or I think that might even be long enough to be a choker. So if you're interested in making a choker, I think that would be long enough for a choker. All right. So anyway, that is the box for September. It is, what's the date today? September 29th? I think it's September 29th. So we did get the last box was running a little behind because I know they had problems with their printed beads, I think they said. But we did get that box. I did get my roller skate girl this month, and then I also got this one. So hopefully for October then we will be back on time. I hope you guys like these videos. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave those in the comment section. And subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up, a like, comment. Anything helps. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.